Good morning, students. Let's start our today's class. Today we will learn that is MS Access. And in previous class, you already learned how to create. But again, I am repeat that as a revision class. And when we start the MS Access, first we need to select a blank database. Then put a name of your database. Suppose here I am writing one name, that is data 1. Then click on create. Then you can get this table 1, and we can edit the table, modify the table, enter the data. We go to the design view, then this is the design view of a table. First, field name and data type. What kind of field you need that you enter in this field? Suppose I want to create a table, that is first, that is player name. So player name, then data type. There are different types of data type, that is text, memo, number, date and time, currency. So name, that is a text, so I want to select the text. Next, that is country. It is also a text. Then suppose runs, RUNS. Then runs, that is a numeric value, so it will be number. Okay, so after complete your data, you click on view option, then save the file, and you can see the field name in this portion. Okay, so I have already created another file, that is a database 1, and here I have created a table. Okay, this is the ID number, then employee name, address, date of joining, and salary. If you go to the that, so these are the field and these are the records. And if we go to the design view, then you can see there is a option, that is field name and data type, and and this is the table 1. So now we want to learn that is some features in MS Access. First point I want to discuss, that is sorting or filtering. How we can sort data according our requirement. Sorting data, that means that will be arrange the rows in ascending order or descending order. First, we need to select a field which you want to sort. Click here and look, these are the options for sorting. And first, sort smaller to largest, and point, start larger to smallest. So if you select first one, then click, look, the data has been changed. Okay, first Nisha Singh, Ram Singh, Susil, and like this. And if you click on largest to smallest, then look how the data has been changed. Data, look, the name have already changed. Okay, so all the field will change. You can change that data according to your, and not only that, you select this field and you can sort A to Z. That means alphabetical order you can sort the data. Click here, then that will be N, R, S, or you can Z to A. So then first Susil Khan, top of the list. So this is the sorting or filtering the data. And filtering a table, that means using the filter option, you can display a selected number of record based on one or more condition. That means filter, when we choose the filtering option, there will be a condition. Suppose in query, there is a first there is an option select all, then I have click here, then all are omitted, and just select one of them, that is 3800. And when I select this option, then click on OK, and look what happened. Only one record is there. That means this is filter according our criteria, given criteria. You can, this is one criteria, or you can change, that is number filter. Suppose there is an option equal, does not equal, less than, between, everything is there. So first we need to select all. Okay, then there is a 4200, 4000, 4400. Suppose I am giving here a condition that is greater than 4200. Okay, then click on OK. Look, only two record is there. That value is greater than 4200 or equal to 4200. By this option, we can filter the data in that table. Okay, so this portion today's class. Okay, thank you class.